Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we're not camping this weekend. Actually, it's been probably almost a month.
This
since
is
we've
our
been camping.
third weekend without camping.
Yeah.
And boy, did we need to get out.
Yeah. Yeah. So we decided to pick a 10-degree day.
Yeah. And windy.
Yeah. We're Tinker's Creek in Bedford, Ohio. I don't think I've ever been here before.
I don't think I've ever been here.
It's only like 30 minutes from home, and
Yeah.
we've never been here.
It's definitely been on my list for a long time. I keep seeing, keeps popping up on, social media, and I've been wanting to check it out. So we picked today.
Yeah.
I'm a little shaky. It's windy. My hands are frozen. With gloves. We're all bundled up, but we're gonna take off here and hike over.
Yeah, we're gonna head over to Grand Falls, and then I think we can drive over to Bridal Falls and maybe check that one out too. We'll see.
Yeah.
See how cold we are.
Yeah. But we're standing on here. This is really nice. It's they've got this all nice. We somehow managed to come up the steps, but there's a big ramp you can come up too. It's really pretty.
It's
but
part of
a viaduct.
Yeah, go over.
It's not the original. We just read on the sign. The original was.
Which you can see if the sign is all iced up.
Yeah. 12 stories. 12 stories tall.
Something like that. Yeah.
I just read it and I cannot remember how many feet it said.
I think it was 120 feet above the creek.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, because that would be about 12 stories. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's explore. We'll take you with us.
And hopefully not freeze.
Yeah. Catch up with you at the end.
So apparently there was some sort of a mill here at this site. You can't really see it because it's all iced over because it's 10 degrees. But you can still see the footings and pier and stuff that was all here from it. I don't know what it was used for, but maybe I can find some history online. they started construction of what they call the arch, which is over there. And the purpose of that was to allow the creek to go through. After they built it, they filled all that in. The arch is 512 feet long with a 20-degree turn inside. That's why you can't see out to the other side. The openings are 40 feet wide and 32 feet high. And it was finished in 1902. And you can kind of see on this picture the viaduct that's there, but you can only see a little bit of it because they filled all that in with earthworks and stuff afterwards. Alright, so Viaduct Falls Park, which is right here in Bedford, definitely worth the trip.
Definitely. Bedford, Reservation, part of Cleveland Metro Parks. I feel like my mouth is frozen.
Yeah, my beard is frozen.
It's cold, but you know what? Honestly, standing here and back up here, the wind is hitting us. But walking and as long as you bundle up, wear the right layers, layer, because you can always take off. It's not too bad, and just the right gear too. But yeah, definitely. I want to come back here in the spring when this is starting to melt, see it flowing a little bit more, really get more of a feel for how it runs, I guess, how the creek runs, and
how the mill operated when they
do it. It's really cool down there, but you can't quite tell what's typically water and what isn't.
The sign was all frozen, so I couldn't read it.
Yeah.
I'll have to find some history online.
Yeah, but neat place. Highly recommend it.
Okay, stop number 2 is Bridal Veil Falls. My beard has thawed out now. Just in time to freeze it up again. All Trail says it's about 3/10 of a mile. Yeah, never been here, so not sure what to expect.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
We found the falls. I think it's frozen solid, if that's what it is. And we also discovered this is right on the Buckeye Trail. Alright, so our trip to Bridal Veil Falls was kind of a dud. It's all frozen, but whatever. A couple things I did want to mention though, for hiking, a hiking pole. These come with different tips and stuff you can do for different terrain. And these crampons, they have little metal studs on them. They just slip right over your shoe. They're rubbery and elastic. Definitely good for the icy paths. So I'll put links in the description below if you're interested. We just got them on Amazon. They're cheap. But other than that, I think we're going to go find some lunch and then probably head home. So keep you safe in your travels and keep between the mustard and the mayo.